In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 4 crashing on startup or not launching. So first thing, go to Windows Security. Now here under App and Browser Control, you'll see Reputation-Based Protection Settings. So here you'll disable this option and this option. After that, you want to go back, then Virus and Threat. Then here you want to go to Protection History and see and check if the game here exists. It might be blocked by the Windows Security. If it doesn't, if it's not here, then you can just close this here, go to Manage Settings and disable this option. So once you disable it, you want to go to Add or Remove Exclusions. Then you want to add the game folder. So find the game folder and add it here and then click Select Folder. Next, you want to go here and then go to Device Manager. Over under Device Manager, under Display Adapters, you will update your display adapters. So always make sure you update your graphics display adapters to the latest version. After updating, you can just close this down, then open Steam, then find the game, and then go to Properties, Install Files, and then verify integrity of game files. So once you have done this, you can see if it works or not. If it doesn't work, then just go here again, Properties, Install Files, Browse, and then under the game folder, it says like Diablo4.exe. You want to right click, Properties, Compatibility, enable these two, and then click Apply and then OK. And this should fix it.